our beloved Prophet ﷺ said in Sunan Ibn Majah, hadith number 1690, that there are many people who fast, but they don't get any reward except hunger. And many people who stand in salah, their standing is useless, they get no reward except for sleeplessness. And our beloved Prophet also said in Sunan Ibn Majah, hadith number 4250, that anyone who asks for forgiveness for the sins he has done, it is as though he has not committed that sin. So in this month of Ramadan, you can ask for forgiveness, and inshallah, Allah will forgive your sins. And it's mentioned in Musnad Ahmad, hadith number 6626, that two things will act as intercession for you: fasting and the Quran. The fasting will say that this person left his desire of eating, drinking, and sex for me, so I will intercede for him. And the Quran will say that this person, he kept on reading the Quran, and I prevented him from sleeping, so I intercede on his behalf. So Quran and fasting will intercede for you on the Day of Judgment, and will inshallah take you to Jannah.